Hi, I'm Jason Renner from Bradley, and today I'm here to talk to you about our Elvari line of washroom accessories, and specifically our BradLock feature. The BradLock is the first magnetic locking system available on washroom accessories, and it's hidden conveniently behind the Bradley logo on the front of this product. But since there's no visible lock, it's less of a target for vandals. The magnets used in the BradLock system are engineered specifically for Bradley and our Elvari line of washroom accessories. Not any old refrigerator magnet's going to come up here and open it. It has to be the right polarity and the right strength of magnet in order to operate. So this new locking system is available on many Elvari washroom accessories, including our soap dispensers, toilet paper dispensers, towel dispensers, and even our seat cover dispensers. How does it work, you might ask? Well, let me demonstrate. First, you have the Bradley key fob for the magnetic lock or the BradLock system. It's one key fob, ships with each product, so you'll have plenty of those keys on hand. And it's this bright blue material, even includes a key ring at the top. Part number's been molded into it along with the Bradley logo, so it's easy to identify. So it's very difficult to lose track of where you've got your key fob. To open the unit, simply place the key fob over the laser etched Bradley logo on the front of the product, push in slightly, and the unit will open and you can get access to the inside, whether that's soap or towels or toilet paper. For the toilet tissue dispenser, same process is repeated. Take your key fob, place it over the logo, push in slightly on the product, and open the door. The anti-slam feature keeps the cover from falling against the wall or the tile. And to lock it, simply put it back in place, remove the key, and you'll hear the click, and it's locked. Well, there you have it. That's a little bit more about the BradLock system on the new line of Elvari washroom accessories from Bradley.